Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into download mode. So to get started, you will need a computer and a cable for this. I have one prepared right over here, so I'm gonna quickly connect it. And once you have your device connected, power it off. So let's pull down our notification panel, press the power button and select power off. Give it a second to power down, and once it has, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So both of those keys. Now when you see the actually charging logo, I believe we need to wait just a moment. There we go, to actually show the percentage, at which point we can now begin. Once you see the recovery mode, you can let go of both of those keys, and from here you simply want to use volume keys to navigate down. So we want to select reboot to bootloader, so single press of volume down, and then confirm that with power key. And this will now take us to the download mode. So there we go, that is how you could access the download mode. Now in here, once you boot into it, to leave this mode, you will need to, as you can see right here, hold volume down and power key for more than 7 seconds. So let's do that right now to leave this mode. Once your screen turns off, you can let go of the power keys, and what you want to do now is hold just the power key. So we were holding power and volume down once it turns off. Now if it's not turning on right away because of this stupid interaction of charging, once it shows up, you kind of need to wait till it disappears for some idiotic reason. So once it does, you can then hold it and it should, there we go, turn our device on. Same thing goes for booting into recovery mode. Once you see the battery percentage, you just want to wait a little bit for it to disappear before you progress any further, or try to do it before it actually shows up. And there we go. As you can see, we are now back in Android. Hello. There we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.